Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Amazon. Affirm is a payment option that lets you split your purchase into manageable monthly installments, often with 0% interest, making it easier to buy what you need without paying everything up front. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll see the familiar Amazon homepage with all its features ready to use. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, click on Cart. Alternatively, if you haven't added anything yet, you can browse for your desired product using the search bar at the top of the page. Type in what you're looking for, select the item, and add it to your cart before proceeding. If you have multiple items sitting in your cart but only want to purchase some of them, take a moment to deselect the ones you don't want to check out. Simply uncheck the box next to each item you're not ready to buy. This ensures you're only paying for what you actually want right now. Once you're satisfied with the items in your cart, look to the right panel and click Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll confirm your order details. The first thing you'll need to do here is select or confirm your shipping address. Amazon will usually show your default address, but if you need to change it, now's the time. Once you've confirmed the correct address, click Use this address to move forward. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Payment Method. This is where you'll find the option to use Affirm. Look for monthly payments or Pay with Affirm. It might also appear as Pay over time with Affirm, depending on how Amazon displays it. Click on that option to proceed. If prompted, click Add Payment Method, or you may be able to directly select Affirm from the available payment options. Either way, you're now setting up Affirm as your payment choice. You'll then be asked to enter your phone number or email to start the Affirm verification process. This step is necessary to confirm your identity and ensure the security of your transaction. Enter your details and continue. Affirm will send a verification code to your phone. Check your messages, grab that code, and enter it when prompted. If this is your first time using Affirm, you'll also be asked to create an Affirm account during this step. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup quickly. Once verified, you'll be shown a selection of payment plans. Affirm will display different options, including any 0% APR plans if they're available for your purchase. Take a moment to review the terms and choose the plan that works best for your budget. After selecting your preferred payment plan, click Use this payment method or Continue. This confirms that you want to use Affirm for this purchase and locks in your chosen plan. Finally, review your entire order one last time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Place your order to complete the purchase. Affirm will handle the financing with no hidden fees, and you'll receive confirmation of your order and payment plan. And that's it. You've successfully used Affirm on Amazon to make your purchase more affordable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.